Morning Standard 8 students. In my previous video, I have given you the debate. Today in this video, I am going to tell you what is debate, how to write debate by your own. So, let's start. Now, actually, debate is said on the stage, but when we write in the copy, then it comes under the writing section. That is, today we will write the debate writing. Now, first of all, I would like to give you the introduction of debate. What is debate? Debate is a formal disagreement. In debate, two persons are required. You see, one person and another person. The persons are called to be as a pro versus con. Now, let me tell you what is pro and what is con. Pro means in agreement, means the person who is telling for the topic, and con in disagreement, who is telling against the topic or opposed. Now here you see I have given pro and con over here. So here pro means proposition, means for the person who is telling for the motion, and here is con, the person who is opposing the against the motion, that is the opposition. Now order of debate: first proposition and first opposition. They are getting 5 minutes time to tell in the first round. So after that, in the second round, they are giving more 5 minutes time to elaborate the topic. You see, the second proposition and second opposition means the first one again getting 5 minutes time to elaborate the topic, and again the first opposition is taking the second opposition is over here, who is giving more 5 times to elaborate the topic. In debate, first proposition speaks first, means the person who is telling for the topic, then he is called to be as a first proposition and he speaks first. The most important thing to remember is that a debate is an organized disagreement in which each side gets an equal chance to present. So both are given chance. While continuing the debate, if one person says wait a minute, it means POI, that is the points of interruption, and he is given only 15 seconds to interrupt. Now here you see how to write debate. Type 1 means there are 3 types I have written for you. So first, how you can write the debate. Type 1, you see, respected principal, worthy teachers and my dear friends, means while starting the debate we can say like this way: my name is any name. Suppose in the question, if the name is given, you have to write that name, and if any name is not given, then you can write your name and continue. And I stand before you to express my views in favor or against the motion, means the person, if he says, he will say for, favor, and if the person says against, then he will say against the motion. Motion means the topic that is given. Or you can write in another way. Type 2, honorable judges and my dear friends, I am, again, if in the question the name is given, then you have to write that name, or you can write your name. And I stand before you to express my views against for the motion, means if the person is telling against the motion, he will tell against the motion, and if the person is telling for the motion, then he will tell for the motion. Motion means, I told you, the topic that is given. Type 3. Respected chairperson, members of the jury, and my worth opponents. I am, again name, that if it is given in the question you have to write the name, or you can write your name. And I stand before you to express my views against or for the motion, that is topic. So I have given you type 1, type 2, type 3. In any type you can start the debate.